This recipe is Som Tam, or Thai papaya salad, a Thai favorite that is known throughout the world. The main ingredient of Som Tam is fresh raw green papaya. So first, we have to peel it, and then the toughest job is to grate the papaya. This is traditionally done with a large knife by repeatedly chopping the papaya, but if you prefer, you can use a grater to do the trick. Choose a knife with some weight and smack it on the papaya. Next, slice the chopped part lengthwise. To produce long strips. Be careful, if the strips are too fine, your Som Tam will not be crispy. And here we have the grated papaya for our Som Tam. Other vegetables for this dish include green beans and cherry tomatoes. We'll also add dried shrimp, roasted peanuts, garlic, and some small chilies. You may add as many chilies as you want, more if you'd like it hot. To season, we will focus on 3 main flavors: sour, salty, and sweet. We use lime juice for the sour taste, fish sauce for the saltiness, and palm sugar to give that hint of sweetness. Now it's time for us to make Som Tam. First, put some garlic into the mortar. Then as many chilies as you dare. Roughly mix both with the pounding of the pestle. After that, add the green beans and beat until they are slightly broken. Now it's time for the seasoning. Start with the fish sauce and lime juice blend, then add grated papaya. Then, halve cherry tomatoes. After more blending, add dried shrimp and peanuts, and continue to pound this all together with a pestle. We're done and ready to serve. This is how we make Som Tam in the traditional way, with a mortar and pestle, but there is a way to prepare the dish without these utensils. Here is our alternative way to make Som Tam. We'll start with finely chopped garlic and cracked or chopped chilies, as you like it. And then prepare our seasoning. By combining 3 ingredients: the fish sauce, lime juice, and sugar. Although palm sugar comes in a solid form, it will easily dissolve in the other 2 liquids. It's really easy, isn't it? Now mix this together with the chopped garlic and chilies. Add to the seasoning the rest of the ingredients. Including tomatoes, peanuts, dried shrimp, and grated papaya. And simply mix everything well. With this method, every ingredient will remain crispy, but if we use a mortar and pestle, the papaya and green beans will absorb more of the liquid and have a stronger flavor. So even without a mortar and pestle, we can still enjoy Som Tam by mixing everything together in a salad bowl. Simple and delicious.